In this activity, you will estimate your average daily energy needs.
We measure energy in calories. To help RJ figure out his energy needs, you have to calculate his baseline calorie need, also called Basal Metabolic Rate, or BMR. BMR is estimated based on gender, age, height, and weight.
You will work from the baseline energy needs handout and the total energy needs handout, which can be found in the Educator's Guide. The BMR value for men, well, in this case RJ, can be calculated using the following equation, where W is the weight in kilograms, H is the height in centimeters, and A is RJ's age. The BMR equation for women is different than men, but it's also based on weight, height, and age. By substituting RJ's weight, height, and age into the BMR equation, the students estimated RJ's BMR value to be 1,645. This is his baseline energy need. Now, if we factor in his exercise level, the baseline value needs to be adjusted. Because RJ is trying out for the cross-country team, his exercise level should be high, meaning he is using a lot of energy. From the Total Energy Needs handout, we can adjust RJ's BMR value by multiplying 1,645 and 1.9. The exercise level adjustments are found in the handout. It looks like the total estimated energy needs for RJ is 3,125 calories per day.
Good luck to you, RJ.